It's not your code that kills speed, it's what you didn't fix. The real danger is not bugs or deadlines, it's a hidden tech debt, slowly draining your team's velocity until you cannot move fast anymore. What is hidden tech debt? Tech debt isn't bad code. It's postponed maintenance, shortcut, and quick fixes you plan to revisit, but never did. And it compounds just like interest on a loan. Where it hides, you will find it where nobody's looking. Old dependencies, abandoned modules, inconsistent patterns, or unowned code. It's that one file everyone's afraid to touch. How it slows teams down. At first, tech debt feels harmless, a little workaround here, a missing test there, but every new feature takes a longer. Every refactor breaks something else, and suddenly your team velocity drops without knowing why. The interest effect. Every time you ignore a small mess, the next developer's base double. The cost multiplies until fixing it feels impossible. That's the interest rate of hidden debt. How to spot and tackle it. So, how do you fight it? Keep dependency audit part of your sprint. Assign ownership for every critical module. Log tech debt like a real tickets, not to-dos. And schedule debit payback sprints before it breaks you. Every great mobile team learns this lesson. Speed isn't how fast you move today, it's how little you slow down tomorrow. Fix the silent debt before it owns your roadmap. Follow for more programming tips.